So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the new Vegega 2.0s. So here is the raised bed, and this is a new model raised bed. This is called the 2.0. So it has here this pattern, and it's supposed to be a lot stronger than the old model. Here you guys can see the nuts and bolts and washers, and it came with a handheld tool that will help you go ahead and install your bed a lot easier. This gasket is to protect you from any type of cuts, so that is pretty cool that it came with this. Not all raised beds will have this, so let's go ahead and install this because it's very easy and it's very simple. And I'm going to show you how I go about filling such a size bed. So I'm just going to place the cardboard at the bottom of the bed just to fill up the bottom and keep down weeds. Now that we have the beds filled with browns and greens, all right, so now what we're going to do is top them off with soil. I got one more gasket to go and I'll be done.